You wanted truth. You wanted the story. But stories have consequences that no student. Welcome to the much-awaited Hell University Cast Reveal and Story Conference. My name is Phoebe Walker at ako po ang inyong magiging host as we officially open the dark, twisted gates to Hell University. A world full of mysteries, secrets, and jaw-dropping revelations na minahal ng milyong-milyong readers online. From the brilliant mind of Knight in Black, panibagong storya na naman ang aabangan from the production of Studio Viva exclusively on Viva One. And tonight, the wait is finally over, ladies and gentlemen, dahil right here, right now, makikilala nyo na kung sino ang gaganap na mga karakter na inyong iminahal that will make us fall in love, freak out, and fear for our lives inside Hell University. Handa na ba kayong pumasok sa mundo ng mga lihim, kasalanan, at kababalaghan? Welcome po to Hell University. And before we continue, of course, we would like to ask for your support sa Viva One, the cast, the production, and all the people behind the series, of course. This is by watching Hell University only on Viva One. Streaming on Viva One. Subscribe na po kayo to Viva One for only 99 pesos per month. 269 pesos for 3 months, 499 pesos for 6 months, or 949 pesos per year. So meron tayong special treat for all of you guys at ito ang tinatawag na premium subscription, okay? So for only 949 pesos a year, magiging premium subscriber kayo and you get to enjoy the best seats in the house all year round, okay? So ano ba makukuha kung mag-premium subscriber kayo? You will get premium seat allocation sa events, access sa VIP lane, merong meet and greet with your favorite artists, may poster pa kayo, at marami pang iba. Kaya please do not miss out. Subscribe na po kayo to 1 year sa Viva One and be part of our premium Viva Arcada. And of course, when you do post mga pictures and mga videos, sana gamitin ninyo ang ating official hashtags for tonight. Yan ang hashtag Hell University Cast Reveal, hashtag Viva One, hashtag Studio Viva, and hashtag Bida Ka Dito. So tulungan niyo po kami. Let us make tonight trend online, mga kaibigan. At syempre gusto din nating pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors for tonight. Of course, without them, tonight would not have been possible. And thank you to our official venue, to Viva Cafe, of course. Ang ating media partners, PBO, una ka rito, Viva Cinema, masayang balik-balikan. Ang TNC, Tagalize Movie Channel, Celestial Movies Pinoy, the biggest star, the biggest blockbuster. At syempre, ang Sari Sari Channel. At meron din kaming mga gustong i-acknowledge in the audience, of course, our VIPs from Webtoon Productions. We have here with us tonight ang Creator Manager for International Operations and Strategy Development Executive for Asia Pacific, Mr. Ryan Benitez. Our Content Specialist, Miss Mitch Yabut, is also here. Ang Marketing Coordinator, Miss Jel Amonte, is also here. Welcome at maraming salamat, of course, sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Alright, now, let's take a moment first to get to know the creative mind behind this incredible story. He is known to millions of readers as Kib, Knight in Black, or on Wattpad, the brilliant mind behind Hell University, at mga spin-off novels nito na Chasing Hell. At ngayon, another major milestone na naman ang nadagdag sa kanyang journey. Dahil isa sa mga pinaka-iconic niyang kwento ay finally mapapanood na natin, brought to life on Viva One. Kaya naman, let's all give a warm welcome to the creator and author of Hell University, Knight in Black. Hello, Kim or Knight in Black. Okay, samahan mo na kita dito sa gitna. Say hi please sa ating audience. How do you feel right now?
Hello po, good evening. Nice to meet you all here.
Alright. Okay, thank you so much, Kim. You may now take your seat. Ngayon naman, tawagin natin ang mga taong nasa likod ng kamera, ang direktor na magsasabuhay sa kwentong minahal natin. He is a critically acclaimed director na nagbigay sa atin ng mga pelikulang Hospisyo, Nung Balikdiwa, My Lockdown Romance, at marami pang iba. At ngayon, he takes on a major milestone in his directional journey dahil siya ang gagabay at magdadala sa isa sa mga pinaka-inaabangang Wattpad adaptations. Ladies and gentlemen, the director of Hell University, we have Direct Bobby Bonifacio Jr.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at salamat po sa pagsuporta ngayong gabi sa ating cast reveal ng Hell University.
Alright. At syempre, you know what, guys? Sobrang intriguing ng Hell University, diba? Ako, title pa lang, I'm like, wow, Hell University, awesome. Parang ang daming tanong sa isip natin, ano ba talaga ang kwento sa likod ng mga lihim sa paaralan na yan? Kaya parang tulungan tayong ma-unravel ang mystery at mas maintindihan ang mundo ng Hell University. Let's hear it straight from the man behind the camera. Take it away, Direk.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and welcome to Hell University. Isang malaking karangalan po na makasama ko ngayon ang nagsulat at nag-isip at lumikha ng mundong to. So ito po ay based on a web novel by the author Knight in Black na nasa tabi ko po ngayon, with over 179 million reads. So, Kib, please do the honors of introducing this world na nilikha mo. I think ipo-project ni Ali yung deck natin.
Okay. Hang on lang po tayo. May konti tayong technical difficulties. So before we wait for our LED, meron po tayong mga masks located sa ating mga table. Okay, so kita nyo may mga coloring materials din, mga markers din yan. So actually, meron po tayong pa-contest sa best mask. Ano ba ang premyo? House and lot? GCs, okay? May GCs tayo to what? Malalaman nyo pag nanalo na kayo. So ngayon, be creative, okay? Ang pinakamagandang mask ay mag-uuwi ng premyo, of course, brought to you by Viva One, okay? May 1-year subscription daw ba? Meron ditong nagtatanong, pwede daw bang premium subscription? Okay, malalaman din po natin in just a little bit. Okay. So after our story conference, magkakaroon rin tayo ng media conference. So ating friends from the media, maraming salamat po for being here. Ang ating mga content creators, thank you so much as well for being here muli. Gagamitin natin ang ating mga official hashtags for the night para maging trending ang Hell University.
Knight in Black, na ang dami-dami pong fans, over 179 million reads na siya so far. And with that, ipapasa ko muna kay Kip para ma-introduce niya sa inyo ang mundo na kanya nilikha. Hell University. Okay.
So, Hell University po is a secret school hidden from the world. Actually, hindi po siya sakop ng gobyerno.
Kip, excuse me lang parang medyo mumbled because of the mask. Can you lift your mask a little bit and then sa ilalim ka mag-mic? Ayan. Ayun, meron naman pala. Naka-double mask. Iba ka talaga. I love it. Okay, sige po.
So, Hell University is a secret school hidden from the world. Actually, hindi po siya sakop ng gobyerno. Everything in this school is free except your safety. In this school din po, there's an unyielding rule which is once you enter, there's no turning back. So, a group of friends named
Next.
Zane, Mia, Dave, Vanessa, Jerome, and Matt enter this school, and during their adventure trip and get trapped inside, and they must survive the bloody night, or between the 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. everything is free, even to kill. So in this school, di po meron mga gangs, like yung mga infamous gangs, which is the Black Blood Gang and Devil God Warriors. So they really have to go through all that para makasurvive.
Ayun po. So, ito na yung unique sa university na to. Kada gabi, basta sumapit ang alas 7 hanggang alas 5 ng umaga, malaya ang lahat na patayin ang kahit sinong gusto niya at makipagpatayan. So, ito ang school na pinasok ng mga bida natin. At sa pakikipagsapalaran nila dito, as they fight to stay alive, si Zane, ang bida nating babae, makikilala niya si Ace Cringe. Siya ang kinatatakutang student president na binansagang Supremo. Ranked second in the whole school, he's the only one who can keep the two deadly gangs. Dalawa ang gang dyan, isa ang Black Blood Gang, at ang kalaban nila ang Devil God Warriors. Dalawang nag-aalitang gang na makikilala natin sa kwento ng Helio. So sa Hell University, si Ace ang nagme-maintain ng peace and order, but only through fear. Kapag binigyan ka niya ng higit sa isang warning, kamatayan mo na yun. You're as good as dead. Pero si Ace, parang mahuhumaling siya kay Zane. At dahil doon, aalokin niya si Zane na maging maging kasapi ng Supreme Student Government bilang secretary. Kakapasok lang, mataas na posisyon agad. From there, she starts to see what really happens behind the system that runs the school. Doon niya madidiscover ang lahat ng mga katotohanan umiikot dito. At from there, she must find a way for her friends to escape. She also begins to see the other side of Ace, the person behind the title Supremo. At doon, unti-unti tayong kakapit sa love story nilang dalawa. Pero paputungo din tayo palagi sa pagtakas nila mula sa Hell University, and to escape, everyone must work together to uncover the dark truth behind Madame Violet, ang pinakakontrabida ng Helio. She is the eerie headmistress. At sa masamang sistema na ginagamit niya para sa pagpapalakad sa eskwelahan nito. They must be smart, they must stay strong, and watch their backs. Because in Hell University, curiosity can kill, and survival is never guaranteed. Yan po ang kwento ng Hell University, at gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Viva for trusting me in directing the series.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan na natin, Direct Bobby and Kim. Congratulations to you two. I'm sure maraming nakaabang na yan. January 10. Okay. Ngayon naman, excited na ba kayong ma-meet kung sino ang ating cast? Let's go! Ako sobrang kating-kating na rin ako malaman kung sino kahit kasama ko lang sila sa likod. Okay.